smooth lines. In the blink of an eye, we have already grown up. The taste we loved in our childhood, we could still find the comfort from it. Let's cook it now. The onion, we cut it in half and then cut it into 9 pieces. Then, we ground the garlic. For the red bell pepper, we remove the seeds and cut into triangular cubes. Do the same to the yellow bell pepper and green bell pepper. Remove the moist from chicken legs and cut into cubes. You can keep the chicken skin if you like, because it will add flavors to the dish, though it might be a little bit greasy. Then we add salt, sugar, potato starch, ground white pepper, and light soy sauce to marinate the chicken. Mix well and marinate for a while. Then we could start to make the white sauce now. We use 30 grams of butter. Melt the butter and add flour. Remember, making white sauce, the proportion is very important. It should be 1:1 always. Fry the flour thoroughly until the flavor comes out. The mixture will be more tasty after frying. Remember one thing, it is a must to turn off the heat before adding the milk. Otherwise, the heat will expand the mixture, which makes the dough very hard to be whisked. I use full cream milk this time, but you can use evaporated milk instead. However, if you really use the evaporated milk, make sure it is a full cream one. Those are always the best because it's made from 100% full cream milk. Never use the non-dairy one or half-dairy one. Don't even consider those mixed with powdered milk and the creamer inside the ingredients, because those type of evaporated milk is better and good for making cold drinks only. It is not very ideal for cooking and for hot drinks, and eventually it will ruin the taste of the white sauce. Bring the chicken broth to the boil. Gradually add the milk mixture. Cook until the sauce thickens. Remember to have a whisker with you in the whole process. Continue whisking could avoid forming lumps during cooking. To understand more detail of making smooth white sauce, please click to my video Hong Kong Classic Cream of Chicken. It is the episode 1 of the white sauce series. Heat the oil, add the marinated chicken meat. Sprinkle with some black pepper flakes. Stir fry until medium done, then take the meat out. Fry the onion, bell pepper cubes, garlic and chicken cubes. Add the white sauce. Bring it to the boil and it is done. See? The sauce looks so silky and smooth. This is exactly the old Hong Kong style chicken a la king. Next time when you miss the taste of old Hong Kong, you will know what to do.